doing the cinnamon challenge outside, and we've got our hair all up so we don't make a mess. So, I don't know.
Yeah, so, yeah. Okay.
How much?
Wait. Woo! Okay, almost done. Okay, go.
Is it on?
Yeah.
What if I die?
You're not gonna die, just don't swallow it. Whoa!
Precaution.
Open your mouth! Open your mouth! Switch around. Go.
Yeah.
Okay, while Bailey's puking, I'm serving myself some water. Okay. Ready? Ooh, I'm kind of scared.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Nice. So that was our cinnamon challenge experience. As you can tell, Keela held off much longer than I did. Disgusting.
Don't do that. Okay, but for your kids who are watching this, make sure you get parents' permission and parent supervision, because you can choke on it and die. So, with that note, be happy and have a great day. Bye.